Okay, we're going to build the functions. This is video 3. And what I want you to do, you should be here. So get your cursor and put it over here and make one click. And then make sure it glossy. Make sure it's get the plus. I clicked, but it didn't come up. Now hit letter A. And you will open a cell up here. And this is the thing. This is what we're going to do where we're going to put our functions. So the first one we need is a setup. So it's DEF to set up the functions SETUP. Don't forget the parentheses, and then you put a colon. And now what I want is to put the word pass, P-A-S-S. We'll put something in there, but not right now. Now you do return, and you do it one more time. And we do these functions, and let's put them, we'll just make them in this order. So DEF, go, F-O-R-W-A-R-D. We could actually copy that and pass. Now see, if you don't get the color thing going here, then you've made a typo. So, and again, let's do 2 spaces, DEF, and we're going to flash lights, right? You know, I'm going to try that. Let's just take this thing from here and let's put it down here and let's copy it. I have Control C and I come back up here. Oh boy, this may be easier sometimes to type it, huh? And then a colon, pass, whatever's easier for you. Oh boy, come on, I don't want that. Well, we'll just do backup. Okay, let's do the copy paste thing. I'll get better at it, and so will you. Control C, and we do Control V here. Hit the colon, return, pass, and we have one more, the random turn, right? Here, I just typed it. Now, we hit it, and we go pass. All right. Now, what we've done here is we now have all of the functions that we need to run this robot. But we haven't put any code in them, so that's really the next step. So get this far. It's only taken a couple, almost 3 minutes, and then we'll go to the 4th video.